And welcome back to my channel, Chef Edward Cooking, and I'm going to show you how to make buffalo wings. So what you'll need is you need chicken wings. I have a third of a cup of cornstarch. I have 2 cups of flour. I have a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of chili powder. I have a tablespoon of paprika. I have a tablespoon of garlic powder. I have a tablespoon of adobo seasoning, and also I have a tablespoon of black pepper. And also I have buffalo sauce. So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna make our mixture for our buffalo wings. So we're gonna add our flour, our cornstarch, our adobo seasoning, our chili powder, our paprika, our black pepper, our salt, and also our garlic powder. So I like to take a whisk and give it a good mix. So you get it like so. Now next, we're going to cook our buffalo wing. Okay, we have our chicken stock. It is coming to a simmer, and I'm going to add our buffalo wings. So a little tip is we want to poach our buffalo wings first before we even fry them. So I'm cooking it in chicken stock with a little bit of adobo in it to give it extra flavoring. So this is what's going to make your chicken wings beautiful and nice and juicy, and not too dried out and hard. So I'm gonna put the lid on. We're gonna have it on a simmer. We're gonna cook it for at least 5 minutes, and we're gonna cool it off and fry it off. Okay, so our chicken wings have been poaching for at least 5 to 7 minutes. I'm gonna take them out. We're gonna put it on a sheet pan and then cool them off. And once they're cool, we're going to flour them and then fry them. Okay, so our buffalo wings have been cooled off, and now it's ready to put in our seasoned flour. So you want to really give it a good coating here. So this is what's going to make it crispy on the outside, this coating. Okay, we have our chicken wings. Now we're going to add it to the oil. What we're going to do is put it down gently and then push away so it doesn't splatter at you. Okay, so our chicken wings are nice and crispy. As you can see, I'm going to take them out, put them on a towel. Okay, we have our chicken wings cooked. Now what we're going to do is take our buffalo sauce. We're going to basically spin it around the bowl, like so. Now we're going to add our buffalo wings. Now we're going to spin them, actually mix them. Add a little bit more sauce right on top. Now, I like to use tongs. I want to mix them up. Basically give it a little toss. And there you go. They're nicely coated. And there we have it. We have our chicken wings. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. It's nice and crispy on the outside. It's nice and juicy on the inside. Well, that's a buffalo wing. And if you'd like to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. Now it's your turn. Thank you for watching. Thank you.